In this video, we're going to talk about how to download the Stake app on your phone. Start by opening your Play Store and App Store, whatever is available for you, and search for Stake. You might see some unrelated apps like Stake for Easy Property, but that's not what we're looking for. Since the official Stake Casino app isn't available in the Play Store, here's what you need to do. Open your browser, go to stake.com. Once the site loads, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, select Add to Home Screen, tap Install when prompted. The Stake shortcut will now be added to your home screen. Just like an app, tap it anytime to access the Stake website quickly and easily. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.